One of my most requested videos for this holiday season is tamales de piña. These are so delicious, they're sweet, they're buttery. If you want to see how I make them, keep watching. Cheers! For this recipe, I'm going to be using a whole pineapple that I've already peeled and cut into smaller pieces. I set my pan on medium heat and I'm going to add the pineapple, 1/3 cup of water, and 1 1/4 cups of sugar. We mix and cook for about 10 minutes or until the pineapple is completely soft. It's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna turn it off, mash the pineapple a little, and set it to the side. And now we start working on our masa. I'm gonna start off by adding 1 stick of butter flavored shortening and 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we beat on medium speed for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. And now I'm gonna start adding the masa. I'm gonna be using a total of 6 cups. We add in the pineapple, 1 cup of sugar. We continue mixing at low speed. And while it's mixing, we're gonna add 1 cup of warm pineapple juice and 3 cups of warm water. Make sure your liquids are warm. This part is optional. I like to add yellow food coloring. Once all the liquids are in, we increase the speed to medium and we mix for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, our masa is ready. Now I'm gonna test to see if it floats. As you can see, the masa floated, so it means it's ready. And now we can start preparing our tamales. We add the masa on the soft side. I've already left my corn husk soaking in warm water for a couple of hours. You can also do this overnight, and this is just so they can be soft and flexible. And then you fold one side, then the next, and the tail, you just flip it up, just like that. And we keep doing the same for the rest. We add the masa, we fold, and flip the tail. With this masa, I made about 30 tamales. We add the steamer into our pot, and we add water. Make sure that the water doesn't cover the steamer. We want it just below the steamer. Once we've added the water, we add some corn husk on the bottom, and this is so that tamales don't fall into the water. And these are just some of the corn husks that I had extra. Okay, and then we start placing the tamales standing up all around the pot. Once all the tamales are in, we add more husk on top. Just like that. And now they're ready to go into the stove. On the stove. Last, I add some rags, and this is so that the steam doesn't escape. We close it. And we're gonna cook on medium heat for 1 hour. Okay, it's been an hour and our tamales are ready. Gonna open it up. It's a little hard. They smell so delicious. Look at this. You know your tamales are ready if they come right off the husk. Oh my God, it's super caliente. They're super fluffy tamales. And I open up another one so you guys can see how they fall off right off the corn husk. Miren, super fluffy, flavorful tamales. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers. You can't find tamales, store-bought tamales. It's rare when you find a moist, fluffy tamal. The masa is so buttery. These are the perfect dessert for the holidays after your tamales de carne. And I know there's a lot of you that are fans of piña tamales because it was my #1 request to make. So here it is for you guys. I hope you enjoy it and let me know what you guys think. And there you have it, delicious tamales de piña. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.